International Literacy Day 2020, and its main focus is on literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond, especially on the role of educators and changing pedagogies. The theme highlights literacy learning in a lifelong learning perspective and therefore mainly focuses on youth and adults. So my kind request is that please follow the theme and do something for the society. Each one teach one, and this is how you can eradicate illiteracy and make 100% literacy in India.
काशी।
आप काम करने क्यों आती हो?
बच्चे को ज़्यादा ठंडे नहीं आती है।
अच्छा, आपके बच्चे पढ़े लिखे हैं?
नहीं है।
तो आपके नाती पोता भी पढ़ते हैं नहीं पढ़ते?
नहीं पढ़ते।
वो क्या करते हैं?
आप गुजारा ही करते हैं।
अच्छा, और फिर आप लोग अभी ऐसे कोरोना में क्या कर रहे हो? कैसे अपनी रक्षा कर रहे हो उससे?
अपन कर रहे हैं, अपन काम धंधा करने आते हैं, अपन ही कर रहे हैं परिवार।
आप मास्क लगाती हो?
नहीं,
मास्क नहीं लगाती आप?
घबराहट छूटती है तो नहीं लगा।
अच्छा अम्मा, कल से लगा के आना, ये कोरोना ज़्यादा फैल रहा है। ठीक है अम्मा? हाँ, और अपने नाती पोताओं को भी पढ़ाना थोड़ा बहुत। ठीक है अम्मा? ये कुछ किताबें हैं, इनसे आप अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाना, ये ले लो आप।
Today I, Parki Arora of class 11D, is here to speak on the topic International Literacy Day. This time the theme is Literacy Teaching and Learning in COVID-19 Crisis and Beyond. The theme highlights literacy learning in literacy lifelong learning perspective and therefore mainly focuses on youth and adults. As we all know that International Literacy Day is celebrated on 8 September every year to raise awareness and remind people of the importance of literacy. During COVID-19, in many countries, adult literacy programs were absent in the initial education response plans, so most adult literacy programs that did exist were suspended with just a few courses continuing virtually through TV, radio or in open air spaces. So, National Literacy Day is an occasion to give hope to the millions of families, men, women and their children who cannot read or write their own name. It is a timely reminder to the world about the importance of literacy for individuals, families, communities and whole societies. Sometimes many people think that donation is only done for the show off, but I felt that they are wrong because today when I donated my old notebooks and books to the servant for their children, It was the best feeling ever because helping them and seeing them happy, it makes also me happy. Because in this situation, everyone knows that it is very difficult for everyone to get the education, but there are online classes, but only for those who can afford. So, what about who can't afford that? So, I thought of giving my old notebooks, stationeries, and books to them so that they can get the education, which is very necessary for everyone in this world. So, at the end, I would like to say that and request you all to also donate the old books and stationeries for their better future so that one day they can also be a good and better person like us. Thank you.
My name is Surbhi Pandey, class 11th D, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, and I have prepared this video on the occasion of International Literacy Day 2020. The theme of International Literacy Day this year is literacy, teaching and learning during the COVID-19 period and beyond, which mainly focuses on youths and adults. Here are some quotes on literacy by Kofi Annan, former United Nations Secretary General. The average literacy rate in India stands at 74.04%. Kerala has the highest literacy rate in India at 93.91%. Bihar is the least literate state in India with a literacy rate of 63.82%. As I am from Manipur, I would also like to present the literacy in Manipur. So the overall literacy rate in Manipur is 76.9%. In the following table, we can see the top 5 and bottom 5 states or union territories in terms of literacy. Kerala, Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Tripura and Goa are the top 5 states and union territories in terms of education in India.
I am Vedika Bankov, Standard 11D, and I am going to present my views on a very special topic, that is International Literacy Day. Encouraging and supporting literacy everywhere, September 8 marked International Literacy Day. The ability to read and write isn't only important for individuals actually, but societies as a whole. Some say literacy is a matter of dignity and human rights, but literacy is also an essential foundation of education. The ability to read and write even increases the life expectancy. After having so many importance, there are around 775 million people across the world who are illiterate. About 2/3 of those who can't read are women. There are around 155 million children across the world who are currently not attending school. Lack of school attendance is a significant indicator of a child's risk of being illiterate. The world literacy rate is at 82%. Now coming to the main point, the theme for Literacy Day 2020 is literacy, teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and beyond. It specially highlights the role of educators and changing pedagogies. Now we will take a brief look at why International Literacy Day is celebrated. Actually, this day is celebrated to promote human attention towards literacy and know their rights for social and human development. As the food is important to be alive and success, the same literacy is also important. It is very important tool to eradicate poverty, lowering child mortality rate, controlling population growth and also attaining gender equality. It is correctly said that the literacy has the ability to raise the family status, and therefore this day is celebrated to encourage the people towards getting continuous education and understand their responsibility for the family, society and the country. Through theme and several programs, it aims to highlight the role of literacy and skill development in the context of a changing world. We could also help the government and the society by contributing in literacy. We can donate to an organization promoting literacy. The World Literacy Foundation is just one of many. Libraries expect donation as well. Consider committing to becoming a lifelong supporter of your public library. Lastly, I just wanted to conclude that everyone must contribute towards literacy and education for the betterment of our society. Thank you.
आपने शिव जी का वो है ना, उसके बारे में। अब ये जैसे 12 साल का बच्चा है, इसमें 135 किताबें लिखी है। ठीक है, एक नाम ढूंढना बसंत जानिए जो अच्छा स कटे